So you're done with cleaning the old way and ready to embrace the future? But is this what the future should look like? Introducing Kneebot, the robot cleaner that lets you take a back seat and relax, with stronger suction power. Automatically boost the suction power on carpet. Multi-level suction adjustment. Better home mapping. Automatic waste disposal. Then resume its task automatically and easy cleaning. You can set specific cleaning areas or no-go zones through the app. And truly rest easy. Uninterrupted. Kneebot. No more dust, no more manual disposal.
Toilets can conceal up to 100,000 bacteria. No matter how you clean it, you can't keep it clean for a long time. For this reason, we designed a smart toilet sterilization lamp. The smart toilet sterilization lamp can effectively sterilize the toilet. Close the toilet lid and sterilization starts automatically. Open the toilet cover to stop sterilization automatically. The sterilization rate is as high as 99.99%. There are 3 modes of disinfection time: 15 seconds, 30 seconds, and 60 seconds. A large capacity battery is built in the main device, which can be removed for charging. The service life of each UVC lamp is up to 10,000 hours, with 10 UVC lamps for multi-directional sterilization. Easy to install. Step 1. Stick the tape on the lamp holder. Step 2. Stick the lamp holder on the inside of the toilet cover. Step 3. Adhere the iron sheet to a flat surface on the toilet. Step 4. Magnetize the main device to the iron plate. Step 5. Plug the connecting cable of the light rack into the Type-C jack of the main device. Use Smart Toilet Sterilization Lamp to better protect your family's health.
Introducing Sonic Dutch. As a world first, Sonic Dutch allows you to make cold brew coffee at home in only 5 minutes with its innovative sound wave vibration system. Cold brew is often labeled the wine of coffee due to its deep layers of texture and flavor. It also has lower acidity, making it less bitter than hot brews. This is why people the world over love cold brew coffee. The major drawback is the very slow extraction process, which takes more than 10 hours to produce a small amount of coffee. Extracting coffee for long hours means the coffee has more caffeine. Cold water sitting for long hours also creates the potential for E. coli and other germs to find their way into the cold brew. But worry not, coffee lovers, because Sonic Dutch solves all of these problems. With Sonic Dutch, you can extract your own cold brew with the same density and flavor of one that took 10 hours in just 5 minutes. Our coffee is also brewed so quickly that it's a safer, cleaner, and more economical way to enjoy cold brew as much as you desire. Sonic Dutch also comes with a Bluetooth speaker, and you can make your smartphone part of the process. Play your music, and before you finish 2 tracks, you'll have up to a liter of cold brew coffee ready to enjoy. So, how does it work? Sonic Dutch has a special built-in sonic vibration system that creates sound waves to extract cold brew coffee. The system creates constant water waves so that the ground beans and water are evenly mixed throughout the process. Sonic Dutch also allows you to create your desired cold brew coffee taste by controlling the extraction time, as well as the frequency and intensity of the sound waves. For years, our coffee-loving experts went through the process of experimentation to finally achieve Sonic Dutch, which now delivers faster, healthier, and safer cold brews without compromising on the elements that made you fall in love with cold brew in the first place. Enjoy Sonic Dutch cold brew every day at home. Feel the difference.
Upward dog pose. Let's begin by lying down with belly side on the mat, keeping your palms by the side of the shoulders. Exhale and slowly raise the chest up and until the arms are fully straight. Awesome, you've got it right.
Kitty cat news. Did you know that over 60% of cats in the US are overweight or obese? Even worse, 45% of cat owners misjudge their overweight cats as ideal weight, not realizing if they are overweight or obese. Obesity reduces a cat's lifetime up to 10 years and can cause diseases throughout their life too. Introducing Pogme, heated smart scale for cats. Data-driven health tracker. Pogme begins heating when your cat steps on it. They'll love napping on it. Cats are nocturnal, meaning they want a cuddly and warm spot to sleep on during the day. Cats will rest on Pogme every day and will be measured of their body weight spontaneously. Pogme measures cats' body weight by 10-gram scale and then notifies you via your smartphone app. The best part is that Pogme measures the obesity level of cat and tells you whether it's in ideal range or obese. And Pogme even recommends the best food for obesity control: warm body temperature care. 1 degree of increased body temperature. not only enhances immunity but also keeps your cat more active. The more active, the less weight gained. PogMe maintains warm body temperature and helps lose weight. Healing music care. When your cat stows off on the warmth of the PogMe, they'll be lulled to sleep with soft, comfortable lullabies. Even when your cat is alone, PogMe will comfort and soothe them, helping them to relax into a restful night's sleep. Scales should be smart. And with PogMe, they are. Meet PogMe,